Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to solve iPhone full storage problem. For example, if you have iPhone storage very short left, which means if you have already used all of your iPhone storage and now if you are run short of the iPhone storage, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection, and after that, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to go to general. In general, what you have to do, you have to go to iPhone storage. So here you can simply find all the details about your iPhone storage. So if you see red dot in your iPhone storage, which is full, so you can simply do the steps one by one. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply delete the recently deleted album. So save up to 4.47 GB, which means if you delete your recently deleted album, then it will clear 4.47 GB. Moreover, you can also check for your videos. If do not have videos which are important, then you can simply delete that photo. Moreover, there are also space used by the photos. You can also check photos and delete them. Moreover, what you have to do, you have to simply offload that app which uses more of your storage. So what you have to do, you have to simply clear the data or offload the app, and after that you can simply install that app again. So it will acquire less space. Moreover, you can simply check for an app which has more space than any other, and after that you can simply clear space for that app. Moreover, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and again you have to go to Safari or your browser, and this time what you have to do, you have to simply clear all the data related to website and downloads. You can, if you have downloads data, then you can also delete them from here. So in this way you can simply clear your storage and make sure. Moreover, there is also option available that you can simply get this online storage, which means you can get the iCloud storage. So if you have a very less iCloud storage left, then you can simply buy a new iCloud storage, and after that you can simply transfer your data to iCloud, and after that you do not have to worry about your space on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.